Hello everyone. So today I am making very short video for my students before their exam on coordination number and atomic packing fraction. I will make different videos in details about these two parameters to analyze the crystal structure. But here I will make this topic based on their exam relation. Okay. So first I will discuss about the coordination number. So what is the coordination number? If we want to say that coordination number is nothing but the number of nearest neighbor, the number of nearest neighbor of an atom. This is the definition, the simple definition of the coordination number. What is this? As we all know that if we consider any crystal structure, it is made up of large number of atoms, and these atoms are arranged in a regular way, right? So if we want to find out the coordination number of this atom, then I have to find out the number of nearest neighbor. So if we want to find this nearest neighbor, then we can see clearly this there are four nearest neighbor, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and all of these atoms are same distance apart from the central atom. So the coordination number is nothing but 4 here. And today we will find the coordination number for the cubic system. Okay. So according to your syllabus, cubic system is included. So we will find out the coordination number for cubic system. That means we will find for the simple cubic structure, BCC structure, and the FCC structure. Okay. So let's move to the simple cubic structure. So we all know that if we just draw the unit cell of a simple cubic structure, there is a 8 corner atoms, right? And if we say this is the distance or lattice parameter is a. Now take any atom. For this example, let's say this is one atom, A atom, and if we want to find out the coordination number, that means we have to find out the nearest neighbors of this A atom. So we can see that this atom, let's say this is the B atom, which is a distance apart from the A atom. Similarly, if we say this is C atom, which is also a distance apart, and if it is D atom, this is also a distance apart. So for this unit cell, there are 3 nearest neighbors. So we can say that the coordination number is 3 for the simple cubic structure. But this is wrong. Why? Because here we have taken only one unit cell, but this A atom is also the part of other unit cells. So if we want to find out the correct number of nearest neighbors, then we have to consider other unit cells with this unit cell. So let's try to draw that one. So this is the first unit cell, and this is the A atom. Here I have found out there are 3 nearest neighbor, this one, and that one. So if I draw another unit cell, so let's take another color for that. Okay, let's check the thickness of the color. It's okay. Okay. So if I draw another unit cell here, so we can find easily that this one, right? So this is our central interest. This is the A atom. So in this unit cell there are 3 atoms. So again here, which is also a distance apart, although it is not exactly drawn a distance apart, but these 2 unit cell are of same size. So this atom, if this is A B C D E atom, this E atom also the nearest neighbor. Again, if we draw another atom, sorry, another unit cell at the bottom by connecting, taking another color. So if we draw here this unit cell, so we get another atom which is just below this A atom. So ultimately we get right now there are the 5 nearest neighbor. Similarly, if we draw other unit cell like this one, this blue one, at the behind of this first unit cell, then we get another atom, right? So ultimately, if we count how many atoms are nearest neighbor for this A atom, we find it is at the left side, this is 1, at the right side, this is 2, at the up side, this is 3, at the downside, this is 4, and at the front side, this is 5, and at the back side, this is 6. So ultimately, we get 6 nearest neighbors, and all of these nearest neighbors are a distance apart from this A atom. So the coordination number is simply 6, and you will not find any other atoms which are at a distance less than A from this A atom. So these 6 atoms are the nearest neighbors. Hence the coordination number for this simple cubic structure is 6. Okay, so this coordination number also helps us to find a relation between the radius of the atom and the lattice parameter A. But this is only true if our structure is in closed packed form. What do you mean by the closed packed form? Where the atoms, the constituent particles of the crystal structure, are so close that we can think they are touching each other. Although this is not possible in reality, there must always be some separation between two atoms, but they are so close that we can think the atoms are touching each other. This is known as the closed packed form. Okay, so this relation R and A is only possible in the simple way when we are taking the closed packed form. तो चलो simple cubic structure में if the radius of one atom is R and the lattice parameter is A, what is the relation between them? So let's draw the simple cubic structure here. Okay, this is the simple cubic structure, and if I add all these corner atoms, and then we are interested for this A atom. So first to get this relation, we have to make this structure in the closed packed form. But we will not make this whole unit cell in the closed packed form. We will take only those atoms which are nearest neighbor to each other. So here A atom, the nearest neighbor is the B atom, C atom and D atom. So we will choose any one way. Let's take this A and B atom. So if I draw these two atoms, this is B atom, this is A atom, and they are at a distance of A from each other, right? So now we will draw the same structure in the closed packed form. That means this B atom and A atom is touching each other. Hence, this distance, it is same, this distance, this must be A. And if we think the radius of one atom is R, the radius of another atom must also be R. So what is the distance from one center to another center in terms of radius? It is R plus R. This is 2R, and this 2R is same as A. So we can write that is 2R is equal to A, or R is equal to A by 2. And as we all know that A is the lattice parameter, and which can be found out by experiment. So it is known to us A. So if we know A by any experiment, X-ray diffraction, XRD experiment, then we can find out the radius of the atom. Okay. Similarly, if we take the BCC structure, so right now if we move to BCC structure, body centered cubic, here it is similar to the simple cubic, only one difference that at the central part of the body there is another atom. So if I add all these corner atoms, it forms like a simple cubic structure. But there one difference, main difference is that at the center or at the middle of this unit cell there is another atom. So similarly, if we give some names, that is, let's say this is A, B, C, D, and E, F, G, and H, and the central atom is I atom. Okay, so if we want to find out the nearest neighbor for this E atom, so this A atom and E atom distance is A. E to F atom is also distance A. But if I want to find the distance between E atom and I atom, which is at the middle, so if we extrapolate this distance, that means if we draw from E to C line, and it is the body diagonal line, so EC distance we know for the cubic structure it is root 3a. So what is E to I distance? EI distance, that much is, since it is at the middle, I atom is at the middle of the C and E atom, so EI is equal to root 3a by 2, and root 3a by 2 is less than a. So right now this A atom or F atom or H atom are not the nearest neighbor of E atom, but I atom is the nearest neighbor of the E atom. Is it clear? So right now we want to find out how many nearest neighbor of this E atom like I atom. If we consider only this unit cell, we get only one atom which is nearest to the E atom, and this is the I atom. So from there, if I say what is the coordination number, this is 1, but it is wrong because here we have taken only one unit cell. So if I draw other unit cells, let's try to draw that one. So this is one unit cell, and if I draw other unit cell by taking other colors, I will try to draw that one. Although drawing is not so good. Similarly, if I draw another one at the bottom, right, I'm taking in this way, and there must be another at the behind. So if you can draw, you can draw by yourself. So here, so if I consider this atom, which is the E atom, so we get for this unit cell one at the middle, this is the nearest neighbor, and for this unit cell there is another middle atom, so this is also nearest to this E atom, and for this unit cell we get another atom. So for these three unit cells we get three nearest neighbors for the E atom. Similarly, if we can draw other unit cells, that means if we can draw ultimately 8 unit cells, then we find there are 8 nearest neighbors for this E atom, and all these 8 nearest neighbors are the central atoms. Okay, so the coordination number for the BCC is 8. In place of taking the corner atoms, if we consider the central atom, what is the coordination number? So let's draw it. इसको एक बार ड्रॉ करो. इस टाइम मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि we are not taking this corner atoms, but if we consider the central atom and want to know what is the coordination number for the central atom I, तो देखो it is very easy, we don't need to bother any other unit cells. So this is the central atom I and it is at the middle, so all the atoms, all the corner atoms are at equal distance from the ith atom, hence all these corner atoms are the nearest neighbor for the ith atom. So there are 8 nearest neighbor for the ith atom, hence the coordination number is 8. So either you can take any corner atoms or the central atom, you get always the same answer. The number of nearest neighbor is 8 for the BCC structure, hence the coordination number is 8. Okay, so now again we want to find out the relation between R and A, the radius and the atomic lattice parameter A. So for that, if we draw our BCC structure, and remember that we have to make this in the closed packed form, but we will not make whole structure in the closed packed form. Rather, we will take this part where we can get the nearest neighbor. So देखो नियरेस्ट नेबर हमें कहाँ मिल रहा था इस बीसीसी स्ट्रक्चर के लिए? नियरेस्ट नेबर इज द सेंट्रल वन, and if we want to find out the coordination number for this A atom, then we have to move along this direction. That means we have to move along the body diagonal, and we can reach the C atom. So if it is I atom, so if we move along this body diagonal path, we get our nearest neighbor. So we will take only this part to make this relation. तो चलो इस पार्ट को अगर अलग ड्रॉ करें, ठीक है, तो देखो कि ये सी एटम और ये आई एटम, ये ए एटम, तो इसको कनेक्ट करो. ये क्या है? दिस इज द बॉडी डायगोनल लेंथ, सो इट इज √3a. अब क्या करना होगा? इसको क्लोज्ड पैक्ड फॉर्म में डालो. सो क्लोज्ड पैक्ड फॉर्म में अगर डाला जाए तो ये सी एटम इज टचिंग आई एटम इज टचिंग ए एटम. सो ये क्या होगा? ये C, दिस इज I and this is A. So what is the length of C to A in terms of radius? So this is R is the radius, but here it is diameter, so it is 2R, and it is again R. So R plus 2R plus R, so 4R, which is equivalent to √3a. So here we can write that 4R is equal to √3a, or R is equal to √3a by 4. So this is the relation between radius and the lattice parameter A. So if we know A, we can easily find out the R. Okay. So next move to the FCC structure. बहुत जल्दी जल्दी, ठीक है. देखो FCC स्ट्रक्चर में क्या होता है, सभी को पता है कि at the 8 corners there are 8 atoms, ठीक है, but at the faces of 6 faces there are 6 more atoms. So if you take any corner atom or any face atom, and if you could make all these unit cells, at least 8 unit cells, then you can find that for any atom there are 12 nearest neighbor. It is a little bit tough to show you the nearest neighbors in this FCC structure, but you can find out this 12 nearest neighbors. So coordination number is 12. But how to find out? मैं एक दिखा रहा हूँ कि कौन सा वाला इसका नियरेस्ट होगा. ठीक है, ठीक है, चलो एक ड्रॉ करते हैं एक FCC वाला स्ट्रक्चर, और वी आर इंटरेस्टेड टू फाइंड आउट फॉर दिस एटम व्हाट इज द नियरेस्ट नेबर. देखो नियरेस्ट नेबर कौन होता है इसके लिए. देखो ये एक एटम है, ये एक एटम है, ये एक एटम है. मैं आई एम टेकिंग ओनली वन दिस फेस, और बीच में क्या है? बीच में एक दूसरा एटम है सेंटर में. तो देखो कि ये अगर बी एटम है तो इसका डिस्टेंस ए होगा, अगर ये अगर सी एटम है तो इसका डिस्टेंस भी ए होगा. ठीक है, और ये तो दूर वाला एटम है, इसका डिस्टेंस क्या होगा? ये अगर मान लो कि डी एटम है, ये √2a बिकॉज इट इज एट द फेस डायगोनल. सो ये बीच वाला जो एटम है विच इज एट द मिडिल ऑफ ए एंड डी, इसको मान लो कि आई एटम. सो ए आई कितना होगा? ए आई इज इक्वल टू √2a by 2, दैट मीन्स a by √2, एंड a by √2 इज लेस देन a. तो देखो कि ये जो फेस डायगोनल के मिडिल में है और इसी फेस में जो सेंटर में है, दिस एटम इज एट द नियरेस्ट नेबर ऑफ द ए एटम, राइट. सो फॉर एनी कॉर्नर एटम्स इन दिस वे वी कैन फाइंड आउट हाउ मेनी नियरेस्ट नेबर्स. तो देखो अगर टाइम मिले तो कभी भी हम दिखाएंगे कि कैसे हमें 12 नियरेस्ट नेबर मिल रहे हैं, एंड सो कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर इज 12. So now we will check for the relation R and A. ठीक है, तो ऐसे ही हम क्लोज्ड पैक्ट वाला फॉर्म बनाएंगे इसके लिए. ठीक है, बट फॉर दैट मोमेंट वी विल टेक दिस पाथ, बिकॉज इफ वी मूव फ्रॉम A to D थ्रू दिस पाथ वी कैन गेट द नियरेस्ट नेबर I. So if we draw them separately in a face diagonal, so this is D, this is I, and this is A. So from this D to A, it is root 2A. But if we make in the closed packed form, तो चलो इसको बना लेते हैं कि एक दूसरे को टच करके, कुछ है ही नहीं इसके अंदर. सो दिस आर, दिस इज 2r, दिस इज r. सो अगेन 4r इज इक्वल टू रूट 2a और r इज इक्वल टू रूट 2a/4. सो देखो कितने सिंपली वी हैव फाउंड आउट दिस एटॉमिक पैकिंग, सॉरी कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर. तो देखो कि एक टेबुलेटेड फॉर्म में अगर इन वन वर्ड्स वी कैन से for simple cubic, for VCC and for FCC. So what is the coordination number? It is 6, it is 8, it is 12. What is the relation R and A? Here R is equal to A/2 and here R is equal to I think root 3a/4 and here R is equal to I think root 2a/4. So remember these things, it is very important for your exam. तो चलो एक पैरामीटर हो गया. अब दूसरा पैरामीटर में आते हैं कि एटॉमिक पैकिंग फ्रैक्शन. एक ही वीडियो में बना रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा लेंदी हो रहा है लेकिन ज़्यादा नहीं होगा शायद, लेकिन देख लेना, ठीक है. एटॉमिक पैकिंग फ्रैक्शन APF, एक ही वीडियो में तुम्हें पूरा जानकारी मिल जाएगा, ठीक है. सो APF एटॉमिक पैकिंग फ्रैक्शन क्या होता है कोई भी क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर के लिए? इट इज़ द डेफिनेशन, इट इज स्मॉल v बाई कैपिटल V. सो व्हाट इज द स्मॉल v? स्मॉल v इज द volume of number of atoms per unit cell. और कैपिटल भी क्या है? इट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ यूनिट सेल. ये इसका मतलब क्या, स्मॉल v का मतलब क्या होता है? स्मॉल v का मतलब होता है कि देखो कि इफ वी टेक द सिंपल क्यूबिक स्ट्रक्चर, ठीक है, 8 कॉर्नर्स में 8 एटम्स है. सो स्मॉल v इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ नंबर ऑफ एटम्स पर यूनिट सेल. तो सिंपल क्यूबिक स्ट्रक्चर के लिए नंबर ऑफ एटम्स कितना होता है कि ओनली 1 होता है. सो फॉर सिंपल क्यूबिक स्ट्रक्चर नंबर ऑफ लैटिस पॉइंट्स और नंबर ऑफ एटम्स पर यूनिट सेल इज ओनली 1. सो स्मॉल v is equal to, we can write that is it is in this form n into 4/3 pi r cube. If r is the radius of one atom, then its volume is 4/3 pi r cube. So how many atoms are there in one unit cell? So if we take the simple cubic structure, this n is 1, so v is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. So in this way we will find this v, and if a is the side length of the unit cell, then capital V is a cube. So in this way we can calculate the atomic packing fraction. लेकिन इसका मतलब क्या होता है? Atomic packing fraction actually tells you how many space of the crystal structure is covered by the atoms. ठीक है, कितना भरा हुआ है ये यूनिट सेल और ये क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर, इट गिव्स दिस आइडिया. ओके, तो चलो, तो फर्स्ट फटाफट फॉर सिंपल क्यूबिक स्ट्रक्चर के लिए, सिंपल क्यूबिक स्ट्रक्चर एटॉमिक पैकिंग फ्रैक्शन वी हैव जस्ट सीन दैट इज स्मॉल v बाई कैपिटल V, and small v is equal to n into 4/3 pi r cube. Capital V is volume of the unit cell. Let's take it is a cube. What is the n? N is the number of atoms per unit cell. Okay, number of atoms per unit cell. For simple cubic structure it is 1. So APF is equal to 1 into 4/3 pi r cube. R के साथ A का एक रिलेशन है ना. सो फॉर सिंपल क्यूबिक वी हैव जस्ट फाइंड आउट दैट R इज इक्वल टू A/2. सो हियर वी विल यूज दिस वन. सो A/2 होल क्यूब डिवाइडेड बाई A क्यूब. अगर प्रॉपर कैलकुलेशन किया जाए इट इज नियर अबाउट 0.52 और इन परसेंटेज इट इज 52%. सो फ्रॉम देयर वी कैन से in simple cubic structure 52% space is covered by its elements. Okay, so let's move to the BCC structure. BCC structure में क्या होगा? atomic packing fraction simply small v by capital V, it is n into 4/3 pi r cube divided by a cube. n क्या होता है? number of atoms per unit cell for BCC, it is 2. So it is 2 into 4/3 pi. Again r के साथ a का रिलेशन क्या है? r is equal to root 3a/4. So you will use root 3a/4 whole cube divided by a cube. काटापिटी करो or you will get near about 0.68 or in percentage 68%. So 68% space is covered in BCC structure. So for FCC I am moving very quickly. It is APF. अब डायरेक्टली करेंगे, ठीक है. स्मॉल v by capital V, small v n into 4/3 pi n is number of atoms per unit cell is 4 for FCC structure. 4/3 pi r क्यू, r a के बीच का रिलेशन क्या है, r is equal to √2a/4. so √2a/4 whole cube divided by a cube. करो कटापेडी और you will get that is 0.72 or 72%. So this is the atomic packing fraction. Or for your exam, remember that one. For simple cubic structure, APF is atomic packing fraction 52% in the percentage form. For BCC it is 68%, and for AFCC it is 72%. चलो इतना ही it is sufficient before your exam. अगर टाइम मिले तो इसके ऊपर मैं अलग से और डिटेल्स में वीडियोस बनाएंगे. तब तक के लिए बेस्ट विशेस फॉर योर एग्जाम एंड ओके. चलो बाय बाय. और क्या बोल सकते हैं, चलो.